Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to get TV channels on Amazon Fire Stick. Let's go. Press Live TV button. Options. Add channels. Add more channels. All available live TV sources will be available here. Select the app. Install and sync with Live TV. How to synchronize. Open Settings. Live TV. Sync sources. Choose App. Sync. Not all applications can be synchronized. That's it. Now you know how to get TV channels on Amazon Fire Stick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.